If you want to embed a responsive and engaging YouTube feed like this on your site, you've clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how to create, customize, and embed a YouTube feed like this on your WordPress website. We'll be doing this using the YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll demonstrate using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, purchase and install the YouTube Feed Pro plugin on your WordPress website. Once installed and activated, you can click on YouTube Feed on the left-hand side of your dashboard. And to create a YouTube feed, click on Add New. First, we'll have to select a feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any playlist, a feed of videos that match any specific search criteria, and more. For this demonstration, let's go with the playlist type. Once selected, click Next. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, paste it like this, and click on Add. Now on to step number 2, adding our playlist ID into the plugin. To find the playlist ID, open up the playlist you want to connect with Smashballoon, and for us it's this one here. Next, inside the address bar, copy everything after PL, like this. Then you can paste it here, then click Next. And finally, onto the last step, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. To get started, let's leave it as a default one. It's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And just like that, we'll have a live preview for a brand new YouTube playlist feed inside the plugin. We can see all the latest videos from the YouTube playlist, which we added as a source. Now onto the most fun part of this video, customizing this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, we have several options to customize our YouTube feed. First, let's go into Feed Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your YouTube feed, with several layout options at the top. Currently, we have the grid layout selected, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. Next is the Gallery, which displays your latest YouTube video inside a video player at the top of the feed, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid. Third is the List View, which displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. And last but not least is the Carousel. This one allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed by clicking on these buttons and dots at the bottom. For this tutorial, let's continue with the Gallery layout, and if you look below, you can choose a number of columns you want to display inside your feed too. At the moment, we have 3 columns, which you can see inside the preview, but if you want to modify it, just change it to the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 5, and instantly our feed is updated to display 5 columns instead of 3. Let me change that back to maybe 2, and that's what it will look like. Let's continue with 3, and underneath that you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside your feed initially. At the moment we've got 9, but to modify it, just type in the number of videos you want to display. For example, 12, and your feed will automatically update to display 12 videos instead of 9. I'm pretty happy with that, and if you're done making changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. You can see currently that it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your YouTube feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Next, we also have a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed like this. Once you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. And if you want to modify how the videos are displayed inside your feed, go to the Customize tab and click on Videos. Next, go click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements that appear on top of your YouTube videos, such as the play icon, video title, the username, and when that video was published. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed depending on your needs. For example, if I wanted to hide the play icon, I can just deselect it, and that will now be hidden from our videos. And I can do the same thing with the video title, username, and date. You get the idea. I'm going to bring back the video title, the play icon, and we can also add the description too. But that looks like it's too much, so I'm going to make that disappear once again, and I'm going to add in the video duration. So you can now see on the thumbnail, we have the duration of the video on the bottom right corner. With these options, you can customize your YouTube videos to look exactly how you want to inside the feed. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And lastly, if you want to choose the exact YouTube videos you want to display inside your feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside this menu, you'll find options to filter the videos inside your feed. First, we can enter allowed words or hashtags. If you enter a word here, your YouTube feed will only show videos containing that word or hashtag. And inversely, if you enter a word into the second box, your YouTube feed will block videos containing that word or hashtag. Lastly, you can also enter specific video IDs to hide them manually too. With these options, you have complete control over what videos you want to display inside your YouTube feed. And if you added any filters, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a Page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. And here we are now inside our WordPress webpage, and to embed our YouTube feed, we'll first have to add a shortcode block, this one here, and place it on our page. After that, we can paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using block editor, you can also use our dedicated feeds for YouTube block like this. With this option, you'll instantly get a live preview of your YouTube feed inside your WordPress webpage before publishing it. Now we can click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our brand new YouTube feed that we just created and embedded on our site. At the top of the feed we have a video player, which is currently featuring the latest video from our playlist. If a site visitor wants to watch this, they can click on the play button, and that video will start playing automatically directly inside your WordPress webpage. Underneath that, we also have a subscribe bar. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your WordPress website with a prompt here asking if they'd like to subscribe to your channel. This makes it really easy to convert site visitors into YouTube subscribers. Back on our feed, underneath the video player, we have the rest of the videos from our playlist. Each video comes with a title, play icon, thumbnail for the video, and the video duration on the bottom right corner. If a site visitor wants to watch one of these videos, they can click on it like this, and that video will start playing inside the video player at the top of the feed too. You'll also notice a button here that says Show Comments. If I open it up, you can see all the comments for that video directly inside your YouTube feed. You can even see the replies underneath each comment too. And if you open it up, you can view that here. For each comment, you can see when it was published and the number of likes it has too. And if you want to hide them, just click on Hide Comments, and you can continue browsing your YouTube feed like before. And last but not least, down at the bottom, we also have a Load More button. Once clicked, it will load additional YouTube videos directly inside your YouTube playlist feed. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a YouTube feed like this on your WordPress webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you run into any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and have a great day.